kit. So this is an odorless, light-free nail kit. It's a gel nail kit that you can use to create nails that last for 3 weeks. And I've got their dip gel here, I've got their base coat, their activator, their top coat. I have my file, my cuticle pusher, and then I also have another file here. So I'm going to show you how to create these nails, and you're going to see them. They last for up to 3 weeks without having to get like a fill. You can do this at home, so it's kind of a way to do your nails without having to go to a salon. And I have their sample kit here. So first I filed my nails and shaped them to the desire that you like. I kind of roughed them a bit so that the dip powder adheres better. And then I also pushed my cuticle back. And this is what I'm going to apply first. So you have to apply this to all your nails and let it dry before applying the dip powder. So I'm going to do that now. You don't need too much. We need a thickened coat on our nail, and then eventually it becomes a gel consistency. And I think this is great because you can do this at home. I have another base coat on, and I'm going to dip it into the nail powder again. So this is going to create our second layer on our nails, which is going to build up the intensity. Final layer, so I'm going to apply a bit of this, avoiding my cuticle so it's not too close to it, and then we're going to dip it in the powder again immediately. This is the last layer I'll do, and it does build the nail up, and the intensity of the glitter is much more than when we started. So again, just repeating the base coat. A lot of this is kind of the same until we get to using our activator and top coat. You'll really see this transform and see the difference. This to each nail, and then I'm gonna lightly buff the nail. You have to do 2 coats total of this on all of your nails. Before we apply another layer of the activator, you just want to buff it lightly. And this is the sampler kit, but they do have many other different kits that you can buy, or even just get the glam powders separately.